Hello everyone, in this video we would like to show the work that we finished in Prado 120 series, and this one is 2008 model, and it comes with the standard factory radio. At this moment it is fit with the 9-inch standard package including Wi-Fi, internet, Bluetooth, hands-free, built-in GPS sat navigation that you see on screen, and also with full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera, and of course all of those factory button works well in the system. And yeah, that's about the system fit. We actually have a revision on this one later in next 1 week, that we will change it to a new set of the facial frame, but at this moment it is very nice on the factory frame, and you can see how nicely the reverse camera is working, which is purely fit and show all the thing at the back end. And if in case the car has the turbo, it will definitely see the turbo right here. Okay, at this moment you see that that's the last part of the turbo, the meter turbo piece, but now it doesn't have turbo. So anyway, that's the tow hitch area. That's how the reverse camera is showing, and yeah, it instantly move back and forth for the reverse camera. It's very clear, very clean, and yep, that's the very standard of our system now. 9-inch touchscreen for Prado 120 series, including full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera. Make it easy and simple to use, and thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.